Welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. Today we're going to explore the Blue Hole on Big Pine Key in the Lower Keys in Florida. So this is a place where creatures can get some fresh water. Actually, the fresh water will float on top of the salt water. Now we're getting closer. I can hear people. In the Keys, or anywhere in Florida for that matter, the one thing you always want to be aware of is the possibility of alligators. Observation deck. Alligator?
Yes, there's two of them over there.
Wait, okay, go ahead.
Go ahead. You can check it out.
Oh, you can still see his teeth.
And now you see the other one's head. You see it?
No, but
It's
I
right-
can see his big old body.
The camera can look through that lens.
You know,
did that.
my niece just done that, and she was able to pull in. They were laying with their tails facing this way. She was able to pull it in.
Where's Lulu's?
Lulu's that's Jimmy Buffett's sister.
Okay.
She has a restaurant in Gulfport, Mississippi, in Destin, Florida, and Myrtle Beach.
Oh, okay.
She has a house in Key West, though. Want to stroll, Pop? Want to stroll? Yeah. I wonder if any unsuspecting key deer become dinner for alligators.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
So I remember reading that the fresh water floats on top of the salt water. I see little fish in there. great spot. This section is closed. There were two alligators sitting on a rock that were spooked by some little key deer. and they jumped in. Now key deer are about the size of a golden retriever. So we're going to see if we can find some video of those. See his tail, that is one big alligator pop. I understand you two want to swim out to the alligator.
No, she wants to throw me in there as bait. Her friend's poor after all.
See that alligator right over my shoulder, trying to choose which one of us he wants for dinner. This alligator came over to pose for the camera. He's coming by land.
No, stop.
He's right here.
Oh my gosh, look at him showing off. Oh no, look at him. He is just showing.
So key deer are about the size of a golden retriever, and we have one here for you to see. Sometimes we can see them right on the side of the road here on Big Pine Key in the Lower Keys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, helps me out a lot. Ring the notification bell and you'll know every time we put up a video, and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.